And this is where we stand this morning in the coronavirus pandemic. There are now more than 9,400 reported cases here in the United States across all 50 states now. The number of deaths in this country has jumped to at least 152.
President Trump now says he considers himself a wartime president because of the coronavirus. Last night, he signed a $100 billion emergency aid package into law. It includes free virus testing for every American, paid sick leave, and expanded unemployment benefits. Weijia Jiang is at the White House. Weijia, President Trump is also expected to reveal a significant development from the FDA this morning. What do we know about that?
Oh, good morning, Anthony. The White House is being very tight-lipped with any details, but the president could talk about a potential treatment for the coronavirus. He has also mentioned that researchers are working on a test that people could give themselves. In the meantime, he has taken a series of stunning steps that underscore just how serious this outbreak is, even activating FEMA to level 1, the highest level across the country.
We're winning and we will win. It's a question of when, and I think it's going to go quickly.
Before meeting with a group of nurses on the front lines, President Trump said he was using the full power of the federal government to combat the coronavirus.
We'll be invoking the Defense Production Act.
The president signed a Korean War-era law that compels manufacturing companies to produce certain goods during a crisis, like masks and other protective gear for health workers, though he later said it was for a worst-case scenario. One major concern is having enough ventilators to help patients breathe.
We have a specific number of ventilators in the stockpile. It's in excess of 10,000, and you just heard the announcement from the Department of Defense. They'll be adding several more thousand to that.
On Capitol Hill, lawmakers are working on a $1 trillion economic stimulus package to bail out the airline and hotel industries, help small businesses, and even send money directly to Americans in need.
We are moving rapidly because the situation demands it.
But Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer warned that's only a quick fix.
This is not a time for small thinking. This is not a time for small measures. This is a time to be bold, to be aggressive.
President Trump is also under fire for frequently referring to coronavirus as the Chinese virus. The president says the virus originated in China, and he's pushing back on a Chinese official who had suggested the U.S. military brought the disease to Wuhan.
It's not racist at all, no, not at all. It comes from China. I want to be accurate.
But many Asian Americans say it is racist and that the president's actions have led to a growing number of attacks on the community, both verbal and physical. Tony?
Weijia, thank you very much.